Hello friends, in this video we are going to create a data frame using dictionary of series. So we are going to use a dictionary of series. That means we will create a dictionary using some series. So in this example we will create two series, then we will create a dictionary, then we will create data frame. So we are working on data frame. So first line that we have to write is import pandas as pd. After this line write s1 equals to create the series s1 equals to pd dot series. In the series constructor function you pass value, index and some other parameters. Value is mandatory, others are optional. If you leave index, the index of the series will start from 0, 1, 2 and this way go on. So I am passing a list of some values to this series. S1 you can check that it has 4 values and the corresponding indexes are 0, 1, 2, 3. In the same manner we will create another series S2 equals to pd dot series and in bracket pass some values. Now we have created two series. Using the pandas data frame constructor function we can create a data frame in which we can pass a dictionary, a list of lists, or using some other ways we can create the data frame. So here we are passing a dictionary of series. So dictionary values and keys are enclosed inside curly braces. First key is series 1 and its value is S1 series. Second key is series 2, its value is S2 and index column label can also be passed in the data frame function, but here it has not been passed. It will take automatic values. Now our data frame is created. Let's print it. You can see here the output. A data frame is created having two series 1 and series 2 as columns, and the series 1 had only 4 values, so the last value of series 1 column is NaN. So this way we have created a data frame using a dictionary of series. You can give your own labels to the rows, and for that purpose you will have to use index for each row. Here to give the index, so this series has 4 values, 4 index this way, and series S2 can also be given a list of index. Remember the index labels should match, otherwise for unmatched indexes the values will be NaN. Let's again run this data frame function. The data frame function when run with the series will create a data frame, and when you give the output df you will get the output. Here you can see the indexes are A, B, C, D, E. Thank you.